Hi everyone, Digital Colmer here in the wonderful city of Sydney, and there's a tram pulling up right now.
Whoa, it's taking off, just like Back to the Future. Look at it go, into the Sydney sky.
The force is wrong.
Well, I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe a glitch in the matrix. Okay, so why am I in Sydney this week? Well, I'm running a one-day Generative AI Essentials course, and then a two-day Advanced Developing Generative AI Apps on AWS course. What a mouthful. It is a 300 level course. Let me just do a quick spin round. You can see much here. Sydney, a little bit of a Queen Victoria building. My friends there accosting me. There goes their tram. So I'm here for the courses, but I also want to talk to you about the latest work I've been doing on Postsmith, which is my agentic app. Well, it's actually a series of agentic components that I'm putting together to help me learn about agents, but also present some of my learnings back to customers. So at the moment, I've called it Operation Postsmith. So that's what I'm going to refer to it now, Operation Postsmith. And what it's going to do, it's going to post autonomously in my style. Just make sure I don't get run over here. Yep, we're all clear, we're good. Post autonomously on my style on X at least once daily. In fact, it's going to be a better writer than me and a better poster than me. And I want it to consist of a number of agents that decide what to post, strategize how to post that, write the actual article, QA the article, do a whole range of different things, which is going to be very, very, very cool. And the component I'm working on at the moment is something called a Trend Scout. So Trend Scout is working out of the last 7 days, what articles should we consider posting about. And so originally I had an orchestrator controlling each of the agents, but now I've decided to keep me, the human in the loop, to make all decisions to start with. So I'll have a trend scout, I'll have a strategist, I'll have a writer, I'll have a QA, I'll have a scheduler, and there's a few other components in there as well. That's essentially how it will work. Now I've been using Kiro as part of this project. Kiro's been amazing. It's helped me build Trend Scout, which is actually functionally working now, which is amazing. But I wanted a UI, I wanted a front end. And so it chose a front end language called Vite. And for those that are French, you'll know what Vite means. If you're a musician, you know it means lively. So fast and lively, and that's pretty much what this front end is. It's fast and lively, it's very elegant. Kiro did an amazing job, but unfortunately the front end doesn't talk back to Python, so it had to create a bridge in the middle. And so it sounds like that if I'm porting this to AWS, I'll have to have this front end living on my machine or on a mobile app. The bridge will live on Lambda, and then the back end, which is the agent itself, will live on Agent Core. So this architecture is emerging as we speak. I thought I had it down pat, the architecture, but it just shows how these things work out. That as you learn, you're going to make different decisions and change things along the way. So that's where we're at. Now, I'm not going to tease you today and show you the front end, even though it is ready and it is working. I'll do that another time. I'll keep you in a little bit more suspense. So I better move away here to make sure I don't get run over. That's it from me. Hope you're having a fantastic time wherever you are. This is at Digital Colmer, signing off in Sydney.